Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to tell you all how to crack Wipro Elite National Level Talent Hunt. So let's get started. First of all, I'm telling you this out of my own experience. I have cracked this exam, Wipro National Level Talent Hunt, and I've got selected through the interview process also. So whatever I'm saying, it's out of my own experience. And so let's get started. First of all, in order to crack this exam, you will have to prepare the AMCAT material. You see, I'm not promoting this AMCAT, I'm just telling you AMCAT material. You need to prepare this AMCAT material because AMCAT is the one, you see, AMCAT is the one which will conduct the exams for Wipro, Tech Mahindra and Mindtree. So it is very important for you to prepare this AMCAT material. And likewise, Face Prep is the one which will conduct the exams for TCS. We have TCS exams like TCS Ninja, TCS Digital, TCS National Qualifier Test. These exams will be conducted by Face Prep. You see, AMCAT will conduct a Wipro exam, and the questions which are asked in this exam will be directly from the AMCAT material itself. They'll not even change anything. They'll not even change the numerals also. So it is paramount important for you to prepare the AMCAT material. And also Wipro will conduct this exam national level, right? So it will not conduct the exam for whole nation on a single day. So it will conduct on different days, and that too different sessions will be there, right? So it depends on how you get your slot. So it is very important for you to get to know what happened on the previous day session. In my case, I have given this test on first day itself, and that too first session. So I couldn't get any suggestions from my friends, but my friend who have given the attempt on the next day, on the following day, she has got questions which are pretty similar. Some questions are pretty similar to my questions. I've told her. And the questions which are asked from aptitude, they are ditto. I mean, no numerals are changed even. So it is very important for you to share your experience with your friends also. Share your questions that you have attempted in the exam, and the questions will be similar. And the questions will be similar in all the exams also. So it is very important to take suggestions from your friends who have attempted this exam the previous day or the following day. Okay, so in order to crack this exam, first of all you need to know the pattern of the exam. So let us all know the pattern of the exam. So there will be 3 sections in this exam, and those 3 sections, and the 3 sections are: section 1 aptitude, section 2 is programming, section 3 is written communication test. First of all, let's look at section 1. In section 1, they'll ask you about, they'll test your logical ability, quantitative ability and verbal ability. That is completely based on aptitude questions which are from AMCAT material itself. I have got all the questions from the AMCAT material itself. So it is very important for you to prepare AMCAT quantitative and reasoning material. And when it comes to verbal ability, I've got all the questions from Barron's 333 words. I've got all the questions from Barron's 333 words. So it is very important for you to prepare these questions. These meanings. What are the words that are mentioned in Barron's 333 words? Very important for verbal ability. When it comes to logical ability and quantitative ability, AMCAT material is more than sufficient in order to get good marks in this section. And also please don't forget, there is section wise cutoff in Wipro. So you need to score more marks. You need to perform very well in each and every section in order to crack this exam, And most importantly, it is the aptitude test. It is the section. If you get less marks in section 1, if you get more marks in section 3 also, they will not even consider you. So it is very important for you to get first section more marks. Okay, and section 2. When it comes to section 2, it is online programming test. This is known as automata test. AMCAT will conduct it. The name given is automata test. In this test, 2 programs will be asked. In my case, when I have given my attempt, I've got first program easy and the second one is a bit difficult, but I have completed, I have executed both the programs. I have passed all the test cases in first program, but in second program I have failed to pass 2 or 3 test cases as far as I remember, and I have written all my programs in Python language. You can choose any of the language of your wish, from Java, C++, Python. When it you see, and the programs will depend on you. You see, in my case, I've got one easy and one difficult. In my friend's case, she has got both easy, and one friend got both difficult. So it completely depends on you. You see, there is no difficult easy if you are a good programmer. So it is very, very important for you to give an attempt. Okay, just try and give an attempt. You'll completely define yourself. You can get it if you give it correctly. And when it comes to section 3, I have they have written communication test. In that, you will have to write an essay. You need to type an essay. There is a word limit, that to 450 words. I have got an essay based on rich people's impact on society and politics in our country. I've wrote that essay, and you know what, they have asked about my essay in my HR interview also. Whatever you have written in this national level talent hunt, they'll ask you in the HR interview also. Don't forget it. So it is very, very important to write essay mindfully. So keep that in mind. You will be asked about this essay in the HR interview. And after qualifying this test, you will have 2 rounds. That first round will be in technical interview. Technical based questions will be asked, and in HR interview they'll ask you about the essay which you have written here, and they'll test your ability and how well you can articulate. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find my video worth watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.